The unique thing about the Bluffton University program is that we work in conjunction with Northwest State Community College, and I share with students that they are getting the best of several worlds.
So at Northwest, in the first year, in the very first semester, you get right into the hospitals and you can do clinical. You learn quite a bit in your first semester too, so it's not like you're just going to the hospital and getting to watch people do things. You're actually hands-on.
One of the benefits of pursuing an education in nursing here through the Bluffton University nursing program is our focus is truly on preparing our students to move on to graduate school. Students will have the opportunity in their fourth year to complete an evidence-based practice project. They'll develop professional presentation skills, and some students may have the opportunity to publish depending on how unique their projects are.
We're all working together, we're all trying to achieve the same thing, so we're always helping each other out. You know, if someone needs help studying. I'm passionate about being a nurse because my brother had a brain tumor, so I saw those nurses and what they did.
The faculty here are also very focused on student success. It's not like getting lost in a classroom of 80 students. You're here, you have close personal relationships, and you know your faculty as well as your classmates.